feels like your name again. The city lights are fading slow, reflections dance on streets below. I trace your voice in every sound, lost and found where love was bound. Memories fall like silver rain, every drop repeats your name. I still feel your warmth inside, even though the tears have dried. Rainy letter I could never send, words I wrote but couldn't end. If this song could reach your heart, would you still remember me again? The cafes glow, the fog outside. I walk alone where dreams collide. Your shadow lingers in the rain, softly calling me again. The echo stays where time stands still. My heart repeats against my will, even when the night is through. Every drop reminds me of you. Rainy letter I could never send, words I wrote but couldn't end. If this song could reach your heart, would you still remember me again? I thought I'd moved on long ago, but your name still softly flows. Even when the sky turns clear, I still feel the rain right here. Oh, rainy letter, lost in time. Every word still feels like mine. If this melody finds your way, maybe love won't fade away. Raindrops fall, my heart remains in every letter